Child abuse and neglect calls are becoming more frequent and severe across Idaho. In North Idaho alone, cases were up about 10% in 2010. KXLY4 Sally Showman spent the day looking into this disturbing trend. She is live tonight in Coeur d'Alene.
Robin, folks at home might have noticed the trend just watching the news as we report on these sad stories. If you think the stories we've been reporting on are getting worse, it's not you. Caseworkers here in North Idaho say the cases they're dealing with are getting worse, more disturbing and more horrific.
It is scary.
They are our most vulnerable, and children in North Idaho are being hurt at alarming rates.
It looked to me like they were sleeping in trash.
In December, Tony Brown called police to this Coeur d'Alene apartment building. Officers found 2-year-old twin girls locked in a bedroom covered in dry feces. Police say all the carpet in the room was either urine stained or smeared with fecal matter. There were claw marks in the paint and the drywall.
I couldn't really even fathom how long that had been going on for,
We're seeing more shaking baby cases. We're seeing more severe physical abuse cases. And we're seeing more chronic neglect cases up here.
North Idaho's Chief of Social Work, Rob Braniff, says last month alone, nearly 700 people called the Department of Health and Welfare in Idaho's 5 northernmost counties reporting abuse. Call volume has increased about 10% to health and welfare social workers in the past year. So far, 2011 is on target to see the record for most child abuse calls in 1 year.
They're seeing the worst cases as it relates to physical abuse.
Another illustration of the trend, 3-year-old Cohen Johnson, a Post Falls boy killed last October when his babysitter lost her temper and shoved him to the ground. He had a cracked skull and bruises all over. Police say the babysitter lost it when the boy wet his pants.
This has just been such a tragic event for this family and also this community.
Among contributing factors, North Idaho's population growth in recent years and likely the economy, unemployment, foreclosures, evictions.
That creates stress within the family dynamics, and with that stress often can correlate into family violence.
Now, April is Child Abuse Awareness and Prevention Month in Idaho, and Our Kids Are Business Month in Spokane. And so Health and Welfare says it is critical that if you suspect child abuse or see evidence of it, go ahead and call 211, or if it's an emergency, don't be afraid to call 911. Live in Coeur d'Alene tonight, Sally Showman, KXLY4 HD News.